Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best car ramps for oil change available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the RhinoGear vehicle ramp. One of the most appealing aspects about the ramps designed for oil change from RhinoGear is that they're easily portable yet are solid and safe. Additionally, you don't need to fret about where to store them after you're finished working. The design that nests help to save room and can make it simpler to put them away in your garage. The robust plastic design makes it extremely durable and comes with a non-skid base and a more streamlined tread pattern to avoid slippage. The ramps have an extra-wide layout for greater security and stability. The 17-degree slope is perfect for vehicles with low clearance. They are rated at 12,000 pounds capacity for vehicle weight and are ideal for pickup trucks, cars as well as vans and trucks. Moving up at number 2 is the BISupply Vehicle Service Ramp Set. BISupply's Vehicle Services Ramp Set is constructed of strong plastic that can be used to handle SUVs, vans, and pickup trucks, since each ramp can support up to 4,000 pounds. The ramps raise the vehicles as high as 6.3 inches from the ground. This gives you enough room for and your tools, items you need, and enough space to work. The ramps are 11.5 inches wide, which is enough to fit wide wheels. While they are durable, they're light, which makes carrying them to the shop a breeze. The ramp's surface has been made of a textured surface for great traction. The pads on the bottoms keep the ramps from sliding across the floor of the workspace. But the style of these ramps works best with a floor that is flat and clean. Additionally, there aren't any specific markings on the ramps, such as the weight capacity. At number 3 on our list is the Race Ramps RR40 Service Sports Ramps. Race Ramps Service Sports Ramps are perfect to display or service low-profile vehicles, sports cars, or even short-nosed vehicles. They are designed to work with vehicles that are up to 8 inches wide. When combined, they can handle the weight of a vehicle up to 6,000 pounds. The high-density polystyrene is coated with a tough anti-slip coating, resulting in a product that is light, sturdy, durable, and robust. The ramps will not slide or scratch your flooring, and won't transfer cold or heat. They're extremely reliable and even work with the ice. The ramps have 7 inches of lift. They also have a lip that is raised, so it is easy to tell when you're at the highest point of the ramp. Each ramp weighs just 6 pounds, making them easy to move around. At number 4 is the Discount Ramps Low Profile Plastic. Another option that is great is the ramps made by Rage Powersports. They're made of tough plastic and are able to endure grease, solvents, and oil. This angle of loading is perfect for vehicles with low clearance, whether you're displaying your vehicle for display or doing repairs. They also can hold up to 4,400 pounds. These ramps raise tires 2.5 inches from the ground. They are perfect for vehicles that aren't able to utilize for a service life or to jack under. The honeycomb-shaped channels block the accumulation of moisture and permit dirt and debris to flow through. Since they weigh just 4.5 pounds, they're simple to transport and store. The 5th product on our list is the Black Widow PSR 295 Plastic Car Service Ramps. The ramps made of black plastic from Black Widow can elevate your vehicle by up to 6.25 inches above the ground. The ramps measure 35.512 by 8.5 inches and are able to hold vehicles that weigh upwards of 16,000 pounds. The ramps are designed with an easy slope, as well as an auto tire stopper at the bottom of the flat platform and a gridded surface that helps your tires get a grip. They also come with rubber feet on the bottom that make the use of these ramps more secure and less difficult. They also have handles with cutouts for handles on the sides to make it easier to carry them. The plastic used in the production of ramps isn't the strongest and durable, so you'll need to be on the lookout for cracks. They're also heavy, and you're unable to stack them and store them, making the storage process a bit difficult. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.